Before we start the repair, let's do a manual test print to check which color has a problem. Turn off the printer first. Once it's completely off, hold down the stop button, then press the power button. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't panic if the lights start flashing, that means the printer is working in the background. Just wait a moment and it will automatically print the nozzle check sheet. All right, here it is. This is called the nozzle check sheet. As you can see, there should be solid black lines here without any gap. It looks like the black ink is clogged. The line should look solid and complete, just like in this sample. All right, let's move on to the first method, the most basic step when you have ink issues on an Epson printer, print head cleaning. You can do this manually without using a computer. Simply press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release it. The cleaning process will start, indicated by the power light flashing and some noise coming from the printer. This process usually takes about 3 minutes to complete. Once the power light stops flashing, it means the cleaning is done. Turn off the printer again. Then hold the stop button, press the power button, and keep holding both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release them at the same time. If the first cleaning doesn't improve the print quality, repeat the cleaning up to 3 times, waiting about 1 minute between each cycle. And here it is. The print result looks perfect now. The black ink is back and printing properly. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.